Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones, and trust me, your ears are in for a treat. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences the world around you, perfect for commutes or focused work. Imagine escaping the hustle and bustle, hearing only your music or podcast with unparalleled clarity. That's the XM5 experience. And you won't be constantly recharging, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your soundtrack lasts all day and beyond. Whether you're traveling long haul or just forget to charge, these durable headphones have you covered for endless listening. But convenience doesn't stop there. Multipoint connection lets you seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. This means effortless transitions from taking calls on your phone to enjoying music on your computer. A true productivity booster. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? You can find the best price and more details by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone searching for the best noise-canceling headphones or wanting top-tier audio quality, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are a game-changer. If you're looking for an unbeatable combination of features, comfort, and sound, I highly recommend checking out these fantastic Sony headphones today.